Hello everyone, my name is Waqar Hassan. Today we are going to discuss rules regarding the formation of past simple and past participle of regular and irregular verbs. I will elaborate how we can convert regular and irregular verbs into their past simple form and past participle form. First, I will explain the difference between the two kinds of verbs. Then we will have a quiz at the end of this video. So stay focused and understand these rules to solve the quiz afterwards. A regular verb is a verb whose past simple form and past participle form are found by adding suffix ed. For example, walk is a regular verb. And when we convert it into past simple tense, we just add a suffix ed with it. So past form of walk is walked. However, irregular verbs form their simple past form and past participle form in some other way. For example, the past form of sit is sat. Here we have not added the suffix ed. So sit is an irregular verb. Therefore, always remember that the past simple form and past participle form of a regular verb will contain the suffix ed, and past simple and past participle form of an irregular verb does not contain the suffix ed. This is the difference between a regular and an irregular verb. Now we will consider some examples to further clarify this concept. Let's consider an example. He arrived late. Here I have added a suffix ed with arrive because arrive is a regular verb. So its past form contains the suffix ed. Now I will consider another example of an irregular verb. He ran towards the school. Here ran is an irregular verb, so we have not added suffix ed to convert it into its past simple form. I will now consider a few more examples to further clarify this concept. Let's consider an example. They played cricket. Here played is a regular verb and I have added suffix ed to form its simple past form. However, the next example explains the formation of the past indefinite of an irregular verb. Let's consider this example. They read the report. Here read is an irregular verb and to form its past simple form, we have not added the suffix ed because this is an irregular verb. So this was the difference between the formation of simple past forms and past participle of regular and an irregular verb. Now let's solve a quiz to further understand this concept. I have given two sentences here and you have to convert the verbs in these sentences in their past form, keeping in mind that whether these are regular or irregular verbs. Let's consider the first example. He looks at me with surprise. Now convert this sentence into simple past form. Take a few seconds, okay? Think about it. Okay, the simple past form of the sentence is he looked at me with surprise. I have added suffix ed with look because look is a regular verb. So the correction is, or the past form of this sentence is he looked at me with surprise because this is a regular verb. Now we will make another conversion of an irregular verb into its past form. This is a quiz, so I will give a few seconds to you people to solve this. Then I will give the solution. Consider the following example. He drinks water from the bottle. Take a few seconds to convert this into its past form. Okay, now its past form is he drank water from the bottle. Here we have not added the suffix ed as the verb drink is an irregular verb. So I hope you people have now developed a clear idea regarding regular and irregular verbs. Thanks for watching and keep sharing your thoughts about this lecture. Thank you so much.